What is zoning? Zoning is another highly used technical analysis strategy to help people know where price is likely to bounce, and if it breaks from that zone, then you know where it is likely to bounce in between in the next zone. This helps people know where their stop losses will be or take profits will be. A lot of people who like to trade horizontal markets will use this strategy. Me personally, I like my board a little clean, but who knows? It might work for you. Let me show you how to place zones. So you'll be using a lot of the horizontal line here. And when you are placing your zone, you're going to want to put it at the close of the candle. Some people will say at the end of the wick, but as you're testing this strategy out for yourself, then you'll know what you like. So we can see that when price normally reaches in between here, this is where it is very likely to bounce. So a horizontal trader or strategist will like this because he will say to himself, oh, okay, it's done it in the past about 2 times. So now I'm gonna put my sell in here, make money here. Next time it reaches it and pulls back in between, then I'll make money here, and then I'll constantly do it until there is an official breakout. But we're gonna find some more zones, and we got one here, and we have one here. Yes. And so now we will see how it'll play out after we have created our zone. So we can see how it is respecting the zone. And so it's just bouncing in between. We'll put a buy, we'll put a sell. Oh, and that's where it stops. So that's how typically zoning will work. And so now we know next time where the market may go to, because it's been bouncing at this area here. So why would it not continue? Because there isn't any change of structure just yet.